Alright, what's going on YouTube? We're gonna go to the car wash real quick, clean this shit up, make sure it's nice. I'm using a fucking tripod this time instead of just holding it with my phone. This shit feels way better, low-key. I'm still waiting for the carbon pieces to get here for that piece, this piece, basically right here, and then like right here, because this is all scratched up and shit. Pretty clean. Alright, this video is basically just gonna be like half POV drive and then half just me doing the cosmetics for this shit. This video is probably gonna take like a week to make because I'm planning to show the carbon fiber interior, the ambient lighting, and then my CarPlay, which that takes a whole fucking week to get shipped here. So we gotta wait for the CarPlay to get here, and hopefully by then it's just gonna look fucking fire, bro. I already know. I already spent like over $1 bin already in fucking cosmetics. Most of that was the fucking CarPlay. CarPlay was like $800, bro. Fucking crazy. Shit, I'm looking. Let's slow down a little bit. Shit's still stock too. I do want to get an exhaust. Hopefully the next video I'm gonna do an exhaust. I'm not really sure what type of exhaust yet I'm gonna do, but not like a typical VQ exhaust though. Like I don't want my shit to be like trumpety and fucking loud, because that's just obnoxious. Same thing with the carbon fiber. That's why I didn't buy a fucking kit for that. That's why, like, I only bought like these pieces, this, that's it basically. Like, I wouldn't put carbon fiber everywhere in the fucking interior, because I feel like that's low-key kind of corny and tacky, to be honest. Like, motherfuckers are like straight just carbon fiber, and that shit does not look good in my opinion. I mean, a few pieces doesn't look bad, but like a full fucking interior, nah. Especially if it's fake, nah. Fucking low on washer fluid. But yeah, this is gonna be like my first YouTube video doing car content. So hopefully y'all fuck with it. Just show support, you know. Who knows, I might start making more of this shit. I'm just doing this for fun, really. Like, this is just for fun in my opinion. Like, I'm not really too set on this YouTube shit. This is just like a little, if I can make money off this shit, that would be cool, but like I'm not really like worried about any of that shit, to be honest. I'm just doing this for fun. This guy's going fucking slow. Alright, I'm gonna go to whenever I get home, so yeah. Alright, as y'all can see, we got the carbon fiber pieces right here. So that shit's, it's all like the sides and shit right here. You know, we put in right here, this piece, that piece, and that piece. So I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done with this. So, all right, we're back. Holy shit, this car looks fucking nice, bro. I do have some fucking bad news. The carbon fiber pieces did not fit on this car at all. This one was like way too fucking big. This one was my fault. I ordered the wrong one. I ordered one that had a button right here, and my shit doesn't have a button right here. So that's on me. But the fucking door does not fit at all, so I'm gonna need to buy a new one. But the good news is I did my ambient lighting. But yeah, this ambient lighting looks so fucking good now. Hold on. Look. You can't even see shit in the camera, bro. Oh my goodness. Alright. Literally my center console is just straight fucking wires, but ooh, that's red, green, blue. This shit got an app too, I think. I need to fucking figure out what the app is. But this shit hella fucking nice, bro. Hella nice rainbow. I don't really fuck with that rainbow shit, to be honest. This I kind of fuck with that. I guess. Actually, no, I don't really fuck with that like all that much. Oh shit, that was a little more cool. Alright. Let's see, like, this shit's pretty fucking cool, bro. Like, I really like this ambient lighting, bro. This shit makes my shit look so good, bro. Hopefully, well, I'm doing my CarPlay Thursday, so I think I might just reorder the carbon fiber pieces and do that shit Thursday as well. And then I'll probably finish the video on that day with the CarPlay. But yeah, hopefully in the next clip, I'm gonna be on the way to Best Buy installing my CarPlay. We'll see, but yeah. All right, as y'all can see, we finally have all the CarPlay pieces here. I'm gonna be on the way to Best Buy. Hold on, y'all haven't seen this. Ooh. All right, I reordered my carbon fiber pieces and I actually did them today. So I did all the door panels. You can see this looks way better in the day. Back here, the back pieces didn't really fit perfectly, but they fit good enough for me. But yeah, this car looks way fucking better now, in my opinion. Like, the panels are not scratched up anymore. Looks way better. I'm debating if I should get some carbon fiber pieces for this and this, because these are like the only silver pieces. Plus, as you can see, it's like a little scratched up too, so I kind of want to cover that shit. That's why I covered the door panels, because they were all scratched up. But yeah, we're gonna be on the way to Best Buy now, so yeah. All right, y'all, we're on our way to Best Buy now. Let's get going. Whoa. I fucking love this car. But yeah, I'm not gonna do anything a little too crazy. Just drive safe, you know. I've had this car for what, about a week already, or a little over a week. Not trying to wreck this shit. Not trying to get any tickets or anything like that. I only speed if it's like empty, you know. Like I only safe speed, if that makes fucking sense. I can't fucking wait to get this CarPlay installed. I've been just driving around my fucking AirPods, and I know that's illegal, but fuck it, you know. I'm not listening to this bullshit radio. And anyway, it's not like I have that shit blasting. Like I can still hear with my AirPod in, you know. But now I don't need to drive with my AirPods in. I don't need to look at my fucking phone anymore for GPS. I'm finally gonna have a GPS now. That's what I'm most excited for, bro. And like I'm trying my best to not crash this car or ruin it in any way, shape, or form. Like I try to be as careful as possible with this shit. But yeah, we're approaching the Best Buy right now. Yep, here it is, Best Buy. My appointment's at 5. It's like what, like 4:40 right now, so like I'm a little early, so I'm probably just gonna park in the parking lot, just chill for a little bit. Or what's in this plaza actually? It's a bunch of bullshit. That's what's in this fucking plaza. I don't really see any good stores. Yeah, I'm gonna just park and wait until like 5. Start going to the back. I'll start recording once I start going back there again, but yeah. Where should I park? Fuck it, right here. Ooh, look at the carbon fiber, bro. This shit looks so good right now, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, I'll just cut to when it's 5 o'clock, so yeah. Alright guys, we're in Best Buy right now. Give the keys over to my guy. He says it's about to be a 2-hour install, so yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all know when I'm done, alright? Alright, after like 2 hours, our CarPlay is now installed. This shit looks so fucking good, bro. Oh my god. I'm so glad. I have Spotify, I have maps now. Oh my goodness, bro. CarPlay's and the interior is looking fucking amazing, bro. Like, yeah, this should be the end of the video. I want to show everything I wanted to show in this video. This has been like the first week of owning this car, and I've done all this, the interior so far. I'm gonna just keep playing around this. I'm gonna go home right now. So yeah, peace out, guys.